Hello students, this is lecture number 7 of chapter number 4, basic algebra and algebraic manipulation. So we're going to start this lecture with some problems of exercise 4c. Question number 4 first. Factorize each of the following expressions completely. So we have to factorize the expressions in part. I'm doing part B first. In part B we have negative 25y minus 35. So factorize mean you have to take common. So minus and minus. Minus can be taken as common in the two terms. In the first term we have 25 number, and the second time we have a number 35. So 25 and 35, which number will be the highest common factor of these two numbers? Obviously 5 can divide both of these numbers. The highest number that can divide both of these numbers is 5. So actually we are taking HCF common. The first term has y, but the second term has only one number, not a y. So it means y cannot be taken as common, so only 5 will be common. And what will be the leftover? Negative has been taken out, so 5 is also, because we know that 25 is actually the multiple of 5, or product of 5 with 5. So 5 has taken out, so it means we are left with only 5. Similarly, this 35 is 5 multiplied by 7. So 5 has been taken out, so only number left is 7. And also negative sign will become positive because minus has been taken out. So sorry, in the first term 5y, 7 in the second. So the leftovers are 5y and plus 7. So this is the factorized form of the expression given. So we have factorized it. Part E. In part E we have expression 4m minus 6my minus 18mz. So first of all we taken some number as a common, so 4, 6 and 18. So which number will be the HCF of these three numbers, 4, 6 and 18? Obviously it is 2, because if I increase the number 4, 4 cannot divide 18 and 6. So the 2 is the HCF of these three numbers. So I'm going to take 2 as a common. Then m, my, mz. Obviously m is common. So 2m is the common of these three terms. So what will be the leftover? As we know that 4 is 2 multiplied by 2. And 2 has been taken as common. So we are left with only 2 and also m as well. So only 2 left. Negative as it is. Similarly 6 is 2 multiplied by 3. 2 and m has taken as common, so we are left with 3y. Negative as it is. And 18 is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, or 2 multiplied by 9. 2 at the 2 taken common, and m as well. So we are left with 3, 3 the 9 and z. So this is our final answer. It is actually a factorized form of the above expression. Next question. Expand and simplify each of the following expressions. So in this in these parts we have to do opposite. Factorization, opposite of factorization, expansion. I'm doing part B first. So minus 1 by 3 curly bracket 6, solving the brackets inside brackets or round brackets first. 6 multiplied by p gives you 6p, plus as it is 6 into q, 6q, minus 3 into p minus, now solving this round bracket as well, minus 2 into p gives you minus 2p, and minus into minus plus, so 2 into 3q gives you 6q. So minus 1 by 3 as it is, 6p plus 6q, minus 3 as it is. First of all, we will solve this square bracket first. Okay, p minus 2p gives you minus p plus 6q, now we will open this round this square bracket inside this curly bracket. So minus into minus plus, 3 into p, 3p, and minus into plus, minus 3 into 6q gives you 18q. So 6p and 3p are like terms, similarly 6q and negative 18q are like terms, so they can be simplified. So 6p plus 3p, it gives you 9p because both have same signs. 6q minus 18, opposite sign subtraction, so we are left with minus 12q. Okay, next step is to divide both of these terms by 3, and also minus 1 will multiply with them. So this will become negative 1 into 9q minus 9q, and negative into negative positive, 1 into 12q is 12q over 3. Splitting it or dividing each term by 3 separately. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. So we are left with minus 3q plus 4, sorry, this is this was p, so minus 3 plus 4q is your final answer. Question number 6. Express each of the following as a fraction in its simplest form. Part B first. So we have to make a single fraction in these questions. So 3x minus 4 over 5 minus 3 into x minus 1 over 2. So simplifying it, 3x minus 4 over 5 as it is, and this negative as it is. 3 into x gives you 3x minus 3. 3 into 1 is 3. Now take LCM of the denominators. LCM of denominators will be 10, 5 and 10, 5 and 2. So LCM will be 10. So I'm writing 10 as LCM, and then divide this LCM by each denominator. Like 10 divided by 5, it gives you 2. So 2 will multiply with each numerator, the first numerator. This negative as it is. Now divide this LCM by 2. 10 divided by 2 gives you 5. So 5 will multiply by numerator. Okay, simplifying it, 2 into 3 gives you 6x, minus 2 into minus 4 is 8, 2 into minus 4 is minus 8. Similarly, minus 5 into 3x gives you 15x, minus into minus plus, 5 3s are 15. Over 10. So 6x and 15x are like terms. Similarly, 8, minus 8 and plus are like terms, so they can be simplified. 6x minus 15x gives you minus 9x, and minus 8 plus 15 gives you plus 7 over 10. So we have converted these two fractions in single fraction. So this is your final answer. Okay, next part D. In part D, we are opening brackets of each denominators. Okay, 2 into p 2p minus 8q whole over 3 minus 3 into 2p 6p plus 3q. I didn't have take this minus sign into brackets, so minus as it is like this. So over 2. So LCM of denominators will be 6. So this is 6. Then divide this LCM by each denominator. 6 divided by 3 gives you 2. 2 will multiply the numerator. Minus as it is, this minus. Then divide this 6 by 2, it gives you 3. So 3 will multiply 6 by the second numerator. So 2 to the 4, 4p minus 16q minus 3 into 6p is minus 18p minus into plus minus 3 into 3q gives you 9q over 6. 4p minus 18p like terms, so minus 14p. Similarly, minus 16q minus 9 like terms, same signs, so addition, minus 25q over 6. So this is your final answer of part D. Next part is part F. So simplifying this bracket first, 2x plus 2 into 3 6 over 5 for the first fraction, minus 1 over 2 plus 3x minus 4 over 4. Now taking LCM of 5, 2 and 4, so it will be 20. So 20 is the LCM of these three denominators. Now divide this LCM by each denominator. 20 divided by 5 gives you 4. So 4 will multiply by the first numerator, negative as it is. 20 divided by 2 gives you 10. So 10 will multiply by 1 plus 20 divided by 4 gives you 5. 5 multiplied by numerator, 3x minus 4. Now opening the brackets, 4 into 2x gives you 8x. 4 6 are 24. Minus 10 into 1 gives you minus 10. Plus 5 into 3x, 15x. And plus 5 into minus 4 is minus 20 over 20. Now adding or subtracting the like terms, 8x plus 15x gives you 23x, and 24 minus 10, 14, and 14 minus 20, minus 6 over 20. So this is the final answer of part F. So you have seen that I have converted all the fractions to single fractions by taking LCM of the denominator first, and then divide LCM by each denominator and multiply the result with each numerator, and then simplifying them, simplifying the expression in the numerator. So this is your home assignment, question number 4, 5, 6. Question number 6 from part A to F. And the other question 4 and 5, you have to solve all the parts, including those parts that we have discussed in this lecture. Alright, take care. Allah Hafiz.